Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to turn on limits on Instagram. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open Instagram. Once you've opened, you're just gonna head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you're here on your profile, you can just tap on the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your screen to gain access for the settings. Once you've tapped it, you will be presented with this tab. And on this tab, on the topmost, as you can see, there is a settings and privacy option. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap that. Once you've tapped it, you will be transferred to this screen. And in this screen, you're just gonna have to scroll down for a little bit and head to how others can interact with you category. As you can see, there are multiple settings here, such as messages and story replies, tags and mentions, comments, sharing and remixes, restricted, and the one we're looking for, which is the limited interaction. Let's go ahead and tap that one. Once you've tapped it, you will be presented with this information. This is an option that you can limit unwanted interaction, and if you are being harassed or you feel like being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Limiting is similar to restricting but helps you manage harassments from groups instead of individuals. And it is highly recommended by Instagram that they'll recommend groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from. Limited comments and messages will be hidden unless you approve them, and this won't affect your reach in Feed and Explore. Once you've read that, you can just tap on Continue, and you will be transferred to this screen. As you can see, there are two categories, such as who to limit and how long to limit. First, on who to limit, there are two options. The first one is accounts that aren't following you. These are accounts that may be spam, fake, or created to harass you. You can just turn on the trigger for that so that it will be restricted or limited. And the second one is the recent followers, such as these are the accounts that's just started following you in the last week. And on the other categories, such as the how long to limit, when you tap that, you can just select on how long, up to 4 weeks. And if you'd like, you can switch to days. And the days can be up to 6. And once you've selected, you just tap on set reminder. And once you've turned on the triggers on who do you want to limit, you can just tap on turn on. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.